Hey there, everybody, and thank you for watching us. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan. This is KXAN Live News Notes. We're going to break down your big stories of the day in less than 5.
We're starting off talking about COVID-19 testing. The long waits to get tested and to get the results could get better pretty soon.
That's right. State health officials say they will have a new testing option in the coming days, and that will reach more people with an even faster turnaround time.
Yeah, it's called the curative test, and it's an oral swab this time. It can deliver results in about 2 to 3 days.
A spokesperson for the Texas Division of Emergency Management tells KXAN that it will use 25,000 of these tests every day, and it will also continue to use the nasal tests.
There are more than 900 locations all across the state of Texas. Everyone can qualify, and there is no symptom or payment requirement there.
So as we know with a lot of our testing sites here in town, there have been really long lines to get in. But a reminder here from health officials that you can go to your primary doctor and get a test done.
Yeah, this is a really important thing as we're seeing more people wanting to get tests done. So this is the message from Austin Public Health and Community Care. They say this will help free up space for the uninsured and people without doctors.
People have told us their wait times at some community care sites have been as long as 4 hours or more.
Wow. Last week, Austin Public Health, Community Care, and Austin Regional Clinic conducted about 11,000 tests.
That is a lot. So all 3 of those organizations are working on long-term testing plans to ensure that they can keep up with the demand.
We also want to give you an idea of the number of people battling COVID-19 at Austin hospitals. There are more than 7,500 active cases here in Central Texas at this very moment.
376 patients are currently hospitalized, and that is close to 13% of active cases. Hey, keep in mind, you can follow our coronavirus coverage over on KXAN.com. We have a whole page dedicated to it.
During the pandemic, we've seen a number of businesses step up to provide some kind of help to people struggling at this time. And we want to highlight one very well-known brand here in Austin that's doing something today.
That's right, Tito's Handmade Vodka. They're going to be giving away 21,000 bottles of hand sanitizer. All you got to do, super easy, grab your mask, grab your keys, get in your car, and then you head over to East Austin to Craig Softball Complex.
The giveaway there begins at noon and goes until 6 o'clock tonight or while supplies last. And the limit, get this, is 3 bottles of sanitizer per car.
Now, you may remember a couple months ago as the pandemic started taking over, Tito's, they had to remind people, hey, do not use our vodka to sanitize your hands. It is not strong enough for that. So eventually, they just went ahead and made their own hand cleanser.
And now they're giving it away.
Yeah, for free.
We also want to talk about the incredibly hot temperatures that are coming up this weekend for the holiday.
Yeah, that's the thing. So let's take a look at the forecast that our wonderful weather team has put together. Triple digits, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's going to be a rough one. And I know we have a really pretty shot here of camping and being outdoors. But with that, we want to remind you that Austin City Parks, county parks will be closed. And this is all to help stop the spread of the coronavirus.
Yeah, so take a look at this full screen right here. Remember that Deep Eddy and Barton Springs pools are going to close for the foreseeable future. Now that's different than Austin City pools themselves that are chlorinated. They're going to close on Friday and reopen on Monday.
Yeah, this is something we want to make sure people know about, especially as they see those temperatures going up and they're going to want to be refreshed in some kind of way.
And the heat may make them want to stay home, which is what health experts say you should do this weekend.
You know, we were saying on the morning show, maybe you just set up in your backyard and you turn the sprinklers on, then you don't have to go anywhere. I don't know.
Have fun right at home.
There you go. Hey, we want to remind you that tomorrow, July 3rd, is observance for 4th of July, so both Will and I will be out. You can catch us back here for KXAN Live News Notes next week.
All right, everybody. We'll see you back here next week. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan. Thanks for joining us.